Hi, this is Debbie with Pandora Hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude, and today we're gonna go pick up two Pandora items. One's all the way in Welland, Ontario at Brock University, and the other one is around the corner from there in St. Catharines. One is the new Fire Bangle, which I missed out on, so I'm like really thrilled to get that. And the other is a Locket floating ring, so that's cool. I want that. I actually ordered that and then changed my mind and canceled it. So maybe there's some kind of weird reason I did that, but I'm glad because I'm going to get a locket ring today. So ride along with me and we're going to go down the highway forever, like about an hour and a half, and then hopefully we'll do a pickup. Okay, I'll get back to you in a bit. Bye. This is going to be a really super fun day. I'm like so excited to get this bangle. I really didn't think I was gonna get it because where we are, you have to spend $150 or $125 to get the bangle for free. And I wasn't gonna do that this year because I've gotten so much from hunting. I really don't buy that much unless I get it at the outlet. And then I don't even think the outlet had that deal to get the bangle. They usually don't because it's new stock, so I don't know. I just hope I get that bangle. That would be really awesome. So fingers crossed for me, and let's go Pandora hunting. Hi, this is Debbie with Pandora Hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude, and I'm at Brock University getting a fireworks dangle. And it's taken me a good hour to get here. So we're just waiting for her to come up. I broke my tripod. So give you that.
Do you want to open it? And,
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure it'll be awesome. Size medium?
Yeah, well, I'm assuming my wrist is a size medium.
It is a size medium. I can tell just by looking at it. That's cool.
And it's a snowflake, and it's got an inscription on the inside or somewhere.
I think so.
It says, yeah, that's it. That's like the best is yet to come or something.
Aw, that's
yeah,
awesome.
It's pretty cute. And then you can buy little.
Do you want to be on camera or not?
I'm pretty sweaty and gross.
Okay, you don't have to be.
Sorry.
I don't have you. No, that's awesome. I appreciate that. That's really cool. It's beautiful.
Yeah, and Do you know how to open it? It took me a while, so.
Yeah. It is really cool. It's okay, I don't have to open it.
Okay, and you got the box and everything, and if there's a problem, I mean, you can just
I
give it back
won't
and give it back.
Okay, you take care.
Take
Thank you
care.
so much.
And thanks for the
appreciate
ride.
that. No problem. Good luck.
Thanks.
Bye. Well, that was pretty cool. She's adorable. The only thing is, I don't know where I am. I'm somewhere in the middle of Welland, I think, and I'm totally lost. So I got to get back onto my phone and find out where I am. So I'll see you back home. Bye. Still on the way home. That was a long drive. We took 4 hours out this morning to go get the fireworks bangle, and I'm so excited because I missed it on the promotions this year. So yay, fireworks bangle, awesome deal. So happy about that. Well, I'm back now, and wow, we got some really good deals. I can hardly wait to let you know what they were. It was an awesome day. I'm thrilled, like absolutely thrilled. I got everything I wanted, and wow, I hardly spent any money. I'm like, I can't believe I got it that good. Okay, I'll see you guys inside. Hi, I'm back. We're gonna do an unboxing. It was crazy out there. By the time I got back, I was videoing and talking to you guys all the way home, but it was rainy and sleet and snowing, and you couldn't hear anything I said. So I'm gonna do an unboxing here on what we got. First of all, we got this first, and you were with me for that. And then we went and did our other pickup. And the girl was super sweet, but she did not want to be on camera. Like, really, really didn't want to be on camera. So I'm not going to make anybody do that if they don't want to. And yeah, we got the bangle with the saying on the very back, the best is yet to come. So I'm thrilled. Like, this is awesome, like so awesome. And this is the surprise. This was an unwanted Christmas gift, but I guess they didn't want anybody to know that they're letting it go. So I got this, and I'm thrilled because the little petite inside is going to match with my pink bracelet. So I'm thrilled. It was a great hunting day, and I'm pretty much speechless, like speechless. So I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I do know I'm going to be doing another video soon. I have a video that I've been asked to do about these bracelets that I made everyone. And they're just a little bit of fun. I actually got a whole bag of these, like a whole bag. It would probably fill a shoebox full at Value Village. And I thought, okay, I'll make some for all my friends. So I ended up making one for Sai for her, and one for my Pandora Moments, Iona, and I made one for Nancy of Nancy Lives TV, and I made one for Ashley for her channel too. So I just think they're kind of fun, and I watch you guys, and I just thought, why not? So anyways, until I see you guys next time, take care, and thanks for watching me, and don't forget to come on my next Pandora hunt. It'll be soon. Okay, take care. Bye. I guess this is Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude, and I'll see you guys later.